Welcome to my channel, guys. I hope you all are doing amazing, and I'm just doing my quick touch up before I start the video. I think I should wear this. Yeah, welcome to my channel. For all those who are new here, I'm Shivani Kapoor and I make a lots and lots of haul videos. Beauty videos थोड़ी सी कम होती है. This time I thought of doing it one for you guys because you were asking for it. And मैंने आपको last video में बताया था. And my pimple situation is not going great right now. Like आपको almost like दिख ही गया होगा how much like bumps I have. Taking care of all those things in mind, मैं आपको कुछ ऐसे products दिखाने वाली हूँ जो मैंने recently like beauty में skin care में खरीदे हैं. Some of them are like my go-to जो मैं हमेशा like use करती रहती हूँ and I reorder things. Some are new to me because I wanted to try. Some are like maybe some good recommendations so that can be helpful and not gonna waste your time. And let's begin now because I have lots of stuff to show you. So what do you suggest? Should I start with skincare या फिर should I start with beauty products? I think skincare से start करते हैं and then gradually beauty products पे जाएंगे. So guys, जब भी ऐसे कोई skin issues होते हैं, specifically acne issues या pigmentation issues, you always try to consult a dermatologist and उनके बिना you don't use the product specifically. और मैं भी ना बहुत ऐसे skeptical हो रही थी कि which product should I go with because in acne को treat करने के लिए मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. And then मेरे को एक ना app पता लगी Cure Skin. So I don't know if you guys know about it. But they have a very customized solution for each one of us. You have to just scan your face. They'll just spot your all the acne issues, your problematic areas only, and then basis that they provide you a customized products which are best for your skin. इस case में ना dermatologist fee is free. You can chat with them directly, which is so cool. So after all the analysis of my skin, they recommended few products to me which I purchased. So this is the box it came in. इसमें I got one face wash which is a foaming face wash. Got this restructure cream. This is basically the repairing of the skin overall. So जब भी आप face wash करते हो ना उसके बाद it is recommended to me. And then I got this sunscreen. This is also like very nice. Then very important product that I have got in this package was this. This is the acne spot gel. This works the best. So जितने भी ऐसे aggravated acne होते हैं ना जो मतलब बिल्कुल ऐसे खत्म होने वाले हैं, I feel like scratching them, but you should not, guys. Is really something जो अभी मेरी skin को बचा के रखा हुआ है. Like 4 का combination is definitely working for my skin. I can see some visible results जो आपको अभी नहीं पता लगेंगे. मैं रोज सुबह उठती हूँ फिर मैं देखती हूँ कि कल क्या था और आज क्या है. It's better and it's going better, guys. And ये सारे products की ना quantity बहुत अच्छी है, so they will last you आराम से like 3 months तक. जब मेरे को ये products receive हो गए ना, then I was allotted a skin expert. तो अगर मुझे कोई भी questions है related to diet, so वो सब answer कर रहे थे on a like real time basis पर. Definitely give it a try if you're facing some skin issues because I think this might help you. So you can download the Cure Skin की app and then use my coupon code for additional discount. You can get like 100 rupees का off मिल जाएगा आपको. But then link will be in my description box below. Check that out, guys. Next, I got my hands on this. It's a very cute red bottle now. This is B Blunt का Curl Defining Hydra Mist Serum. So like me as a content creator, even if अगर आप content creator भी नहीं हो तो आपको अगर curls करने हैं, this just kind of gives you a very good shine even after curls. आपको बस ऐसे shake करना है and then overall अपने बालों में ऐसे spray कर लो और फिर curls करो. हमारे बाल ना ऐसे rough नहीं लगेंगे बिल्कुल भी. It has a coconut water and jojoba oil and उसकी वजह से ना इसकी fragrance बहुत अच्छी है. So I love it. I got this very cute watermelon flavored lip balm. It is a lip balm but then it just smells so heaven. Let's get it. It's so like आप इसको ना इसके ऊपर भी लगा सकते हो. It's that like smooth on lip. Oh my god. बहुत अच्छी खुशबू है इसकी. Cute. I like it. And even the bottle is very cute. Look at this. Even Aqualogica के products बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. In case you want some hydrating sunscreens, they have really nice sunscreens. You can definitely try them out. Okay. अभी तो मैं Cure Skin के products use कर रही हूँ, but then I have wanted to try Dot & Key from a very long time. Can you imagine? I don't have any Dot & Key products. If someone has used already, तो मुझे बताना. So I'm not a very strobe cream person, but then I got this from Dot & Key. This is strawberry flavor. इसका भी यार बहुत अच्छा सा fragrance है. And I just want to like put here a bit and show you. Oh shit, बहुत ज़्यादा आ गई है. What do I do? I need to blend this out. You can see the glow, right? थोड़ी pimples game better हो जाए ना, then I'm definitely be using this for my makeup base and yeah. Dot & Key के products की fragrance बहुत amazing है. Next I got this toner. I've read some good comments about this as well. Earlier I was using Dermafic का toner, but then I wanted to change, I wanted to try something different. This is Dot & Key का hyaluronic and niacinamide. These are eye patches. It comes with 60 patches. So मैं दिखाती हूँ ये अंदर से कैसा है. This is how the patch look like. यहाँ पे आपको अंडर आई में लगाना है. इसका watermelon fragrance है and leave it for 15 minutes. उसके बाद remove कर लो. Also if you have a super dry skin ना, तो I have a very interesting moisturizer for you. I don't know, आपको पता होगा, of course it's not a hidden thing, but then this is my go-to. अभी के लिए मैं नहीं यूज कर रही हूँ, but then I was using this from last almost 7-8 years. I'm not even kidding. This is Biotique Morning Nectar. Quantity भी बहुत अच्छा है, affordable भी बहुत है, और at the same time आपको इतना ज़्यादा hydrating results देगा कि आप उसके ऊपर कुछ भी मेकअप लगा लो, it just glows. मेरा जब शादी का मेकअप हो रहा था ना, उन्होंने भी ये यूज करा था. You guys ask me like which hairspray I use to curl my hair. Like I don't like too much of thick hairsprays because वो इतना stiff कर देता है ना बालों को. It doesn't look good, guys. So this is a very mild one. This I got from the brand K-Teen. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I will link this. It has no alcohol. It has no like extra stuff. So it just keeps your hair like kind of nourished, at the same time just settles it down. Curls को रख लेता है at least for 3-4 hours. Okay, enough of skincare. Now let me quickly talk about the makeup beauty products that I've ordered from Amazon. And Amazon पे सारे brands मिल जाते हैं, so at lesser prices for some reason. Like कुछ discounts चलते रहते हैं ना. सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे ना दो चीज़ों की request आती है. One is my lip colors and second my tints and the blushes that I use. So one, I use this. It is Etude का tint. This is not something new. I've been using this in the past as well. ये I think Benefit वाली जो tint आती है ना, which is very expensive, उसके हिसाब से this is much better. बहुत ही कम सा प्रोडक्ट यूज करोगे ना तो भी काम चल जाएगा. Earlier I was using Face Shop, then I moved to this, then I moved to Face Shop, then I again moved to this. You try it, I love it. मतलब ये blend करना भी बहुत easy है. और एक और जो मेरा favorite blush है ना, मतलब if I don't want tint, I want some matte finish, if I'm stepping out for a longer time, तो tint से better मुझे फिर ये लगता है. This is K Beauty का. If you have seen my previous beauty videos, you would know I use this a lot. This is in the shade Coral Charm. It's a beautiful coral color. This is how it looks like. आपको कैमरा भी दिख रहा होगा ना सामने. But then it's amazing. I don't know if you can see it. Gives you a very flushed look on the skin, which is all what we need. So you can try. So I use these. These are Just Herbs के nude palette पूरा. And मुझे कोई भी वीडियो शूट करना होता है ना, the only lipsticks that I go and wear are these. मैंने ना ऐसे पैक्स ना nude के 2 ऑर्डर कर रखे हैं just to keep a backup because ये बहुत ही छोटी तो बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाती हैं. But then you can see how many of them are there. You can see this. Like look at this. जो भी वीडियो में लगाती हूँ ना, plum color, जितना भी like ऐसे brown color, new peachish nude color, इसमें सब आ जाते हैं. So it comes with like pack of 5. And you guys also asked me what concealers I use. तो concealers के लिए मेरे पास बहुत सारे options हैं. But this is my go-to one. This is from Swiss Beauty. Again, very affordable. Got it for like 200 rupees, something like that. But I have so many of them. I'll show you. Like look at this. 1, 2, 3. They have a good coverage. तो ना ऐसे videos में भी बहुत अच्छे से चल जाता है. Oh, by the way, I am in the shade 02. I use this from I'm using this from last 1 year now. So you can imagine how many of them I would have. अभी ना recently मैंने 2-3 concealers और base और भी खरीदे थे. So this one is Too Faced. I know you would know definitely. This is again a very thick concealer, but for some reason ना this is a little dark for my skin. You guys know the hype of this product. Looks like a foundation itself. So then I got this Just Herbs का foundation. This also I got very recently अभी. I have used this. It's a little again थोड़ा सा ये fair है मेरे लिए. आपको मतलब 500-600 रुपीस का पड़ेगा. But अगर आपको ऐसे daily basis के लिए चाहिए ना कुछ, this is good. It has SPF, तो ये ना मतलब skin care भी दे रहा है आपको साथ में. You can try, and this is how it covers. Coverage बहुत अच्छा है, तभी मैंने लिया है. Last up in terms of the base is this that I'm obsessed with currently. This is K Beauty का foundation. If you are the kind of person who is looking for some skin tints, उसके लिए ये बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है. मैं पता क्या करती हूँ, सिर्फ इसको पंप में थोड़ा सा लिया एंड इसको ऐसे करा और ऐसे डैप करके स्किन में ब्लेंड कर दिया. Then it gives you that little glow also. And it looks like flawless also on your skin. Winters में मुझे इतने face powders की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. But then in case I want some setting powder, I really look for these two. This is a translucent powder from K Beauty or Fit Me. I think everybody knows about this. तो ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. I'm in the shade, by the way. Shade कौन सा है? Light 15, number 15. Dip this thing in this and then just put it under my eyes. And अभी मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे जरूरत है. Great product. Like this is something really hyped and many people use this around me as well. They're very happy with this product. I think मैंने आपको सब कुछ दिखा दिया है and now it's time to say goodbye because if you like this video, do give a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel. If you are looking for links, all the links will be in the description box below. Also, don't forget to download the Cure Skin Key app and use my coupon code for discounts. And yeah, you'll find the link in the description box below. I will come up with the next video very soon, guys. Till then, bye bye.